Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about converting a rig to Rigify in a non-destructive way. To follow this tutorial, you will need the Retarget and Rigify add-ons. We will begin with the classic method. For humanoid characters, we use extract metarig. The preset is automatically detected. This method is destructive. Let's go back to the other method. The first step is to apply the transformation. We convert it to Rigify. We deselect the Only Deform Bones option so that it includes all these other bones. The last things to do is to bind these two armatures. The selection order is important. The Rigify rig must be the active object. The preset is detected automatically, but in this specific example, we want to bind it to the deformation bone. So we select the Rigify Deform preset. We enable Copy Location and disable Expect FK Bone to add location constraint to all bones. We also enable Copy Scale to add the scale constraint. The Also by Name option will allow us to include other bones that are not in the preset and have the same name. We can hide the original armature. Let's test it. As you can see, it works exactly like in the first example. And you can unbind it whenever you want. Let's bind it again to perform the retargeting process. I need to reset them to default settings. I need to select the Rigify control preset because previously I had selected Rigify Deform. In this example, I will show you how to bake the action to the Rigify and the original rig. For the Rigify rig, we select it and perform the baking as usual. For the original rig, we need make it visible and we select it. If we bake it like that, it will contain all those other bones we don't want. Therefore, we will only select the bone we want. We will switch to the local view by pressing /. To select these bones, I will use the operator. Select Constrained Controls. Next, choose by preset option. We will also deselect the root bone. In the baking options, we select only the selection. Thanks for watching.